Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is Excel add-ins, data analysis or analysis ToolPak. What is this? We have a lot of data to do some stats on that. For instance, regression, correlation, and so on. And then we need Excel to do that. So what do we have here? What is this data analysis or analysis ToolPak? According to support of Microsoft Excel, if you need to develop complex statistical or engineering analysis, you can save steps and time by using the analysis ToolPak. You provide the data and parameters for each analysis, and the tool uses the appropriate statistical or engineering macro functions to calculate and display the results in an output table. Some tools generate charts in addition to output tables. However, this is the problem here. Where can we find it? Okay, let's assume that we have a lot of data here, and we need to go to data analysis here. It is not, and usually it isn't on a regular Excel. So what do we do? Go to the tech guys and so on. Google it. It's not so easy, but let's find it. It is an add-in. How can we find the add-ins? Go on File, or if you are using an older version, it is the Excel symbol or Microsoft symbol. Also over here on the top left. File, Options, or in the new Microsoft, it is some stuff of more here, and then you click on more, there is the option. Option, a lot of options here. We go to add-ins. Add-ins, manage, Excel add-ins. Then go and analysis ToolPak. Okay, we have data analysis here, and then click on data analysis. There are tons of Excel formulas here for regression, for correlation, covariance, descriptive stats, exponential smoothing, histogram, moving average, the hypothesis test, t-test, z-test, sampling, and so on. So a lot of stats topics here. See, not so hard, very fast and straightforward, but it's a little bit hidden on Excel. And by the way, you need to do it only once. Once you do it, you can close your Excel. For instance, let me close it here. Let me open it again. And a blank worksheet. Data, it is over here. So you need to do it only once. Great, guys. So, questions or comments, just leave here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.